Hello, my name is Chris and I'm a U-Haul hitch professional. If you're planning on towing a trailer with your Toyota RAV4, then you're going to need trailer wiring. It is required by the law. Now let's take a look at how to complete this installation. You'll need the following tools or supplies to complete this installation. This is the wiring harness we will be installing today. It can be purchased from a local U-Haul or can be ordered from the link in the description. It is advertised for the Highlander and Grand Highlander, but we're going to make it work for the 26 RAV4. Begin by installing the 4-flat adapter on the outside of the vehicle. The connection is right here on the driver's side behind this sensor. We're going to access it without removing the fascia. The gray adapter with a black cap can be found located here. Reach in, depress the tab on the cap to remove it. Now plug in your 4-flat connector. For clarity, this sensor was removed and returned. One quick alteration, we're going to change this 3-wire converter box to a 2-wire by removing the separate brake circuit. Clip the red wire. Use butt connectors to dead end each end of the circuit and tape it back to the harness. You can now enter the cargo area and begin removing components, beginning with the floorboard. Remove the rear scuff panel using a trim panel tool to help with leverage. Remove the plastic cover containing your tools. Lift the trim out of the plastic. And then remove 2 Phillips head screws, one on either side. Lift the tools and plastic out of the way. Remove 2 cargo hooks with a 10mm socket. Remove this cargo net fastener. Use a flathead screwdriver to depress the tab side to pull the tie down from the vehicle. Use a small flathead screwdriver to unplug this adapter before loosening the trim. You can now loosen the trim to gain access to the connectors, again using the trim panel tool for leverage. Plug in your new harness to its mating adapter. Use a 10mm socket to remove this bolt in order to secure the ground wire. Pass the bolt through the ring terminal and re-secure it. Install the provided fuse and secure the converter box with the double-sided tape. Now let's address bracketing our 4-flat connector. While none of these are included with the kit, they can be picked up or ordered from your local U-Haul or from the link in the description. Several options. You can secure a bracket to your fascia. You can use an ETP bracket, which secures to the receiver and gives you a place for your 4-flat connector. This is a great bracket because it still gives you access to your receiver and the use of accessories. As well, we have an ETP 7-way bracket so that you can install the U-Haul 4- and 7-way socket. Our customer has chosen the ETP bracket. Now hide and secure your excess wiring. Finally, you can return all the previously removed interior trim. That concludes trailer wiring for your Toyota RAV4. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to practice safe trailering, and I can't wait to see you out there. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, Or if you'd like to schedule an installation with your local U-Haul hitch professional, please visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. You can also download the U-Haul app using the link in the description for even more ways to manage your hitch and towing needs.